Hi, in the last video you saw the conversion of my Rotary axis to chain drive. In the background you can see the test run of it. I was able to improve the runout of the axis with the rebuild. The deviation is now 18 microns, which is in my opinion more than enough for plasma cutting. Because I had problems with the last Rotary cut and the tube was unusable, I decided to draw everything with the pen tool first. This works very well, so I started cutting. Unfortunately, there was a problem during the cut and the axis lost its position. I think that this time it was caused by the high frequency noise of the Plasmacutter. I have been struggling to get a grip on it for a while now and I have made some improvements but still have problems sometimes. Since I noticed the error earlier this time, I was able to stop the machine and start cutting again. I will weld and grind the worn cut areas afterwards. So now I'll show you the video of the cut. Have fun watching it. hope you liked my video. Next time I will show you what I plan to do with the pipe. Stay tuned and please subscribe. Goodbye and see you next time.